The second piece that really differentiates us is the process in the conversation.
Can you explain to us how a credit union is different than the way a bank operates? Because I think people are, very similar with a bank, even though we're not getting any interest these days. It's points or whatever. Why is it different, and how is it different? So we can kind of really contextualize this concept.
Sure. Well, I'd hate to say that I'd like to say my money and that I give you is so much more special than the other guy's money. But when I give you that real estate loan or the line of credit or the construction loan, it's a commodity. That same dollar is the same dollar. What the difference is in the organization is there's really two areas. First of all, it's a cooperative institution, so you have to become a member of the cooperative. That used to be very difficult for people. It was, if you only worked at a local factory, it was only for their employees. Or if you were only a school teacher or what have you. It was but in today's America, if one of your listeners walks past a credit union on the street, there's probably a 95% chance they could walk in and open an account. And it's probably over 95%. So that's the first thing, is you have to become a member of the credit union. The second piece that really differentiates us is the process in the conversation. This is, since and when I say not-for-profit, credit unions aren't a charity. They're just simply run on a not-for-profit basis. The biggest credit union in America has over $100 billion in assets to them. But most credit unions today are a few hundred million in assets. Think of them as the community bank of 25 years ago that used to be on every small town in America, got merged out. In the cooperative basis, you're trying to make that loan and have a conversation with the member and do what's best for them. And because really develop that win-win institution. Whereas if you go to that hard money lender, you go to the big bank, it is, I'm trying to win and you're trying to lose. Mm-hmm. So we really focus on having those relationships with the real estate investor that we can both grow successfully in the future. You can have what you tend not to see in the credit union space is, this is our box that we lend in and that's it. And if you're in that box, you can get the loan. And if you're out of the box, you're done.